Hey everybody, so this is day 2 post-surgery. I had surgery Wednesday, or day 3, I've lost track. Came home yesterday and the car journey wasn't too bad, and slept a lot yesterday. Didn't have much of an appetite for dinner, so that wasn't great, but not a problem. Slept relatively well last night. I took Zapane at about 8 o'clock, and then I didn't need anything else until this morning, and now I might say my pain's probably about 4, so really low. So I've just taken some Neuromol, some over-the-counter meds. I don't want to go into the opioids if I can help it, because 1, they bung you up, and 2, they're strong, and I don't want to use them if I don't have to, but I've got them here, so I'm not going to be a martyr. I've already got up and had a freshen up in the bathroom, which makes me feel a whole lot better, and I had a change of clothing. I'm just going to take it nice and steady today, but at the moment, so far so good. I'm walking quite well on crutches, trying to simulate normal gait, which the physio at the hospital encouraged me to do, and I'm fine with that. And my plan is to do 3 6-minute walks today. I did 3 5-minute walks yesterday, and then if that's okay, I might up it to 7.5 and try and get myself up to 10-minute walks a day, so that I really want to be doing 30 minutes a day in bite-sized pieces to begin with, but just increasing my walking tolerance. The more I move, the better I feel, so I knew that anyway. Had such a lovely amount of support from people about the surgery, and I just hope to be an inspiration to other people going through this, to say, actually, you do come out the other end. The last few days, or the first few days after surgery, are meant to be the worst. Maybe I've got worse to come, I don't know. But actually, at the moment, compared to the pain I had before surgery, this is minimal. It really is. It's surgical pain as opposed to that horrible, never-ending arthritis pain that I had at the end. So the relief is staggering. So yeah, so all really good. I'll continue to plot my progress over the next few days, maybe even weeks, depending. But yeah, all really positive at the moment. I had an amazing surgeon. I think that helped. Staff at Practice Plus was superb. Couldn't fault them. And I've had loads of support here at home as well. So yeah, all really, really positive. Long may that last. So I'll be back bouncing around in no time at all. I'll catch up with you again soon.